The Haxnicks table garden is an easily accessible, self-watering growing system designed to make the most of any outside space. Grow fresh vegetables, salads and herbs in a small space with minimum effort. The steel frame is quick and easy to assemble and holds a double trough fabric planter with capillary matting that delivers water to the plant from the hidden 5-litre reservoir below. Simply fill the reservoir with water and just the right amount of moisture will be transported via capillary action straight to the plant's roots, so under or overwatering won't be a problem. The raised fabric planter is made from Vigoroot, an air pruning fabric that is designed for a super healthy root system and excellent drainage, allowing you to grow a wide variety and surprising amount of container veg, salads and herbs in a small space. The removable poly protection cover provides a cosy, moist and protected environment for fast-growing, healthier crops. Adjustable air vents at either end give climate control. The height of the table garden means that no bending is required, and it also means that your plants will be out of reach of wild animals, pets and all but the most determined slugs. The Haxnicks self-watering easy table garden is the ultimate space-saving, time-saving and back-saving way to grow.